Okay, back in the garage working on Sally on this Sunday afternoon. I have gotten the back glass out of the convertible top. I have the convertible whale boot. I have it unhooked, and I have the convertible top unhooked from the car. Now I'm going to be working, looks like the rest of the day, getting these moldings off. Okay, I have the right and left hinges off of it. I have the center panel and molding in front of the trunk lid off. And as you can see, just amazing how good a shape this old car is. Haven't found any surprises in this car anywhere I have tore it apart. Just lucky to find this amazing of a car. Okay, it's a little after 3 o'clock. I have the 2 pieces molding off the quarter panel. It's amazing what you have to do to just get moldings off. I had to take a wrench and go through here just to get this one nut off of this molding. Had one rivet back here at the back. They could have come up with a better idea than that, I believe. But you know how car manufacturers are. All the moldings and everything are in good enough shape. All they need to be is sanded and painted. And I believe I'm going to clean off this black goop on this quarter panel. And I may go ahead and sand this and maybe tape it up and prime it and the rocker panel and the cowl screen. We'll just see how long it takes me to get this one off.